Replacing the fan requires removing the bezel to access its wiring. Remove the screws securing the bezel to the frame. Hook the bezel's tabs into the higher retention points below the control box. Remove the plug from the back of the controller, the HCB. Press the tab with a fingernail or small screwdriver blade. Remove the wire ties attaching the fan wire to the adjacent wires. Push the wire through the opening and below the control box. Press the tabs on both sides of the filter of the failed fan and pull to remove it. Remove the pressure switch hose. The fan assembly, shown here removed, has a notch and a bracket that secure it to the burner. The bracket must be pulled forward and the fan assembly rotated to clear the notch during removal. Loosen the Allen screw below the fan. Do not remove the Allen screw completely. Loosening pulls the split bracket at the rear of the fan forward, clearing the gas line. After loosening, pull the bracket forward. Rotate the fan assembly counterclockwise to align the assembly notch with the gas line. Pull firmly forward. The assembly is held internally with O-rings. To position a new fan, ensure the bracket is forward. Push the assembly onto the burner, ensuring the notch is aligned with the gas line. When the assembly bottoms out against the gas line, rotate clockwise. Tighten the Allen screw to position the bracket around the gas line. Reposition the pressure switch tube. Replace the air filter. Rotate the fan's wire to the control box and plug it into the HCB. Secure the fan wire to the adjacent wiring with wire ties. Replace the bezel. Run the onboard calibration for the new fan.